Whether you're a real estate agent or not, chances are you're already familiar with Google. The search engine giant is widely used for nearly all types of online searches and is also an integral part of many people's daily lives. It's no surprise that Google My Business has become one of the most popular ways for businesses to get online leads. With so many potential clients searching online before making purchases or booking appointments, and with real estate being a highly competitive business, it's crucial that your profile actually shows up at the top of search results. Welcome to Leads Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads with their marketing. If you haven't claimed your company's listing on Google My Business, now is the time. Why? Because prospective customers can learn key information about your company without even having to go to your website. That's where Google My Business comes in. If someone Googles the name of your business, what do they find? A website is not the only way to let people know you exist. It all starts with the first search results page. GMB exists to give customers all the basic information they need about your company without even having to go to the website. And since search is the main way that customers find you, having a strong and effective Google My Business profile is critical to your business. Create a free business profile. You can see in one of our other videos a walkthrough of how to create your Google business profile. Your Google business page is no longer a place to just store your business information. It is now a valuable marketing tool, especially for real estate agents, to build social proof with those looking for local realtors. With 90% of the searches being done in Google, it is now more important than ever to get in front of Google searches, and especially for real estate agents. 80% of home buyers and home sellers say they will Google a realtor's name before hiring them, even after getting a referral and even after seeing your other marketing material. Google is the most widely trusted online review platform, more than Yelp, more than Zillow, more than Facebook, more than any other real estate marketplace. Google owns the market share, and when people are searching for local realtors, the only thing that comes up is the map search, and the only thing Google promotes in the map are Google business pages. And with 90% of the searches being done in Google, 60% of those are being done through mobile. And through mobile, the map search shows up 93% of the time. So take advantage of this open space. And the best part about your Google business page is it is free. So how can we get the most out of it? Make sure your business is correctly categorized. If you're a real estate agent, it's easy to get caught up in the daily activities of listing and selling properties that you forget about some of the basics, like ensuring that your business is correctly categorized in Google. You want to make sure you are showing up on searches for real estate agents in your city. When Google decides who is relevant to which search, it is looking for three things. Relevance. This is your category in your Google business page. This is very easy. You would choose the category of real estate agent. Distance. The map search is all about matching up local companies with local searches. So distance is how Google knows which companies are relevant locally to the searches. These are your service areas. You can choose as many as you want, and you can change these as often as you want. Google will look at your main city and your address, then match up local searches based on your service areas. Prominence. These are all about your reviews. We will go more into this later, but this is really your separator from other agents locally. You can get some free tips and tricks on how to get more reviews into your Google business page in our description below. This will help Google understand what kind of business you are and where your customers might be looking for you online. It also makes it easier for potential customers who are searching for real estate services like yours to find them quickly and easily. Use the right keywords. Google My Business is a powerful tool for getting more real estate clients, but you also need to let Google know what searches you are relevant for. You need to make sure that you're capitalizing on the opportunities it provides by using the right keywords and connecting them to your business in a way that makes sense. Really important. If you're not sure what keywords are, they're basically just words or phrases that people use when searching for something online. When it comes to Google My Business, there are two types of keywords: location and non-location based. Location-based keywords are exactly what they sound like. They indicate where your business is located. For example, real estate agents near me. Non-location based keywords are more general terms like buy houses. The best way to get in front of most relevant searches is to just use long tail keywords. These are keywords that are more specific than your main phrase. These are used instead of single words or short phrases. For example, real estate agent near Brooklyn instead of real estate agent. Maybe they want an agent who specializes in helping them buy a condo in Brooklyn. Or maybe they're looking for someone who can help them sell the Manhattan condo and move into one in Queens. By using long tail keywords, Google can easily see you're relevant to those more specific searches. So how can we use these keywords to connect to our business so they make sense? Write a compelling business description. The first step to getting more real estate clients to Google My Business is to write a compelling business description. This is one of the most overlooked ways to get more real estate clients, but it's also one of the easiest. When you're setting up your Google My Business page, don't just stick in a boilerplate description. Make sure it's personal and engaging. Write your description in the first person. It sounds more personal, which will make your potential client feel like they're getting a one-on-one experience with you. Keep it short. When writing your business description, there are a total of 750 characters available. This isn't a lot, so you need to prioritize the details you want to include carefully. But the first 250 characters are what potential clients will see without having to click to read more. So make those count. Use keywords in your description. The first thing you need to do is write a description that will make people want to work with you. You can do this by being descriptive and including some keywords that relate to your services. Some examples include: we are an experienced team of realtors with many years of experience in the field. We specialize in residential sales and investment properties. You want people to read your description and think, wow, that person really knows what they're talking about. Add relevant photos. If you're looking to get more real estate clients by using Google My Business, you need to make sure that your business listing is complete and accurate. One of the most important things to include on your business listing is photos. People are visual creatures and they'll be able to see whether or not they like your company more quickly if they can see what it looks like. That's why it's so important that you add relevant photos to your Google business page. You can add images and even videos. And that means that people searching for real estate agents in your area will see those images when they look at your listing. You should also include a gallery of images that show off some of the projects you've worked on in the past, as well as any testimonials from customers or clients who have been happy with your services. Remember that real estate is all about trust and relationships. So don't be afraid to post some selfies, just make sure they're related to your business. You want people who are looking for properties to be able to see what they're getting into before they commit to working with you. Make sure your phone number is correct. The truth of the matter is Google wants people to contact you directly from your Google business page. Google does not want people to leave Google to go to your website to contact you. So Google does everything it can to make this as easy as possible for people to contact you. First is your phone number. Make sure you have a phone number in your Google business page that will call your cell phone. When people call, if they don't get you, they won't call again. So make sure the phone number you have in your Google business page will send them a text message if you do miss the call. This way, if you are busy, you can start a conversation with them through text. You may be at a listing appointment or in an office meeting. So by having automated missed call text back, that ensures if you miss the call, you won't miss the lead. Second is make sure you have Google Chat turned on. Today, 70% of people would rather chat or email a business over calling. And Google knows that, so Google gives people the ability to chat with you directly from your Google business page. Most businesses aren't aware this exists, and those businesses that do know it exists either don't know how to turn it on or they don't know where the chat is going when it's sent. So make sure this is set up ahead of time. Here at Lead Agent Pro, we set all of this up for you. We include a phone number that is connected to your cell phone, and for those calls missed, we include auto missed call text back. This way, a call miss doesn't cost you a lead, and we automatically enable and connect Google Chat and connect everything to our Lead Connector app. This way, it streamlines all communication into one location on your cell phone. So whether people call you, text you, or chat you, you never miss an opportunity. Ensure you have a website link on your profile. Even though Google wants people to contact you directly from your Google business page, there are those that are going to look for other ways to contact you. So having a chat widget on your website is really important for these people, because even though they did click to your website, most will still want to chat with your business instead of calling your business. Give people the opportunity to do that. The less friction you give to people to connect to you, the more people you will get to respond. Here at Lead Agent Pro, we include a chat widget for your website. And those that chat your business, when you respond, it will start a text conversation with your potential website leads. This way, if they had to leave your website, your conversation can continue with them offline. You could even set up your website as a landing page so you can give away your free lead magnet for them to register. Or if you don't have it set up as a landing page, at least on the registration form, you can let them know you will give away something for free if they register. Today, most people need an incentive to give out their email address. You could offer a lead magnet for the 5 things you absolutely need to have to get the best loan, or the top 10 tips to get your home ready to sell in today's market. Something of value for them they can get in a checklist or an outline so they get value from it right away. And if you set it up correctly, they will get your lead magnet immediately after registering automatically through email. And now you have turned that traffic that you earn through Google My Business into now traffic that you own that is on your email list. And you can build your relationship with them that way. The key is to have your website ready for those that do want to get more information than what is on your Google business page. Ideally, you will have your reviews on your website as well. This way, if they click away from your Google business page, your social proof is still there for them to see. Your reviews are your window for people to see what they can expect when they work with you. So make sure you are getting them consistently and build those up over time. The best part about your reviews is whether you change brokerages or you change websites. Your reviews are yours forever. You can take them with you wherever you go, so treat them as your most valuable asset for people to see. Respond to all reviews and questions, good or bad. 89% of people say they are more likely to work with a business that does respond to all of their reviews. And even more important is 57% of people say they will not work with a business that does not respond to all of their reviews. As you get your reviews, make sure you are responding to them, ideally daily. This is important to people, and because of that, it is also important to Google. This is one of the factors to get to the map search, is responding to your reviews. With Lead Agent Pro from the app, you can respond to your reviews while you're on the go, or you can delegate responding to your reviews to your main admin in your office or your office manager. Because it's all done through our app, you no longer have to find time to add this to your list of to-dos. When a new review comes in, you will automatically get notified in the app on your phone. Then from the app, when you click on the review, you simply type in your reply and press send. And as your office sends replies to your reviews from the app, they automatically post to your Google business page, making it easy for everybody to see. Here at Lead Agent Pro, we have a list of replies you can use as you get new reviews. Your reviews are a great way to add in more keywords for Google to see. Here are a couple of examples. Thank you for allowing me to be your realtor. I'm honored you chose me to be your realtor among all of the best real estate agents in your city. Can't wait to work with you again. It was my pleasure to serve you through this process. I hope you will always look at me as your top realtor in your city. And we have a long list of replies we give to all of our Lead Agent Pro members. So you no longer have to find time to do this every day. You can delegate this to your team to manage. And with having ready-made replies, you have some templates to start with. This simplifies the reviews process, and this way you can focus on what you do best, getting more business, which will get more reviews to build your business. Google My Business is a simple and free way for local businesses like real estate agents to attract more clients online. This is super important because most people use Google to find businesses in their area. It's not hard to understand why. People are more likely to interact with you when they can find you online. That's why you need to have your Google business page set up if you want more real estate clients. With 90% of the searches online being done in Google, 46% of those are done with local intent, meaning looking for local companies or services. So with more than 3 billion searches done in Google each year, that is nearly 1.5 billion searches done with local intent every year. And those that go into Google to look you up by your name or your business name, 86% of people look up a local business through Google on a map search. According to an article from Chat Me to Near Me or Close By type searches grew by more than 900% over 2 years. This means as we have all become used to having the internet in our pocket, more people are going to their phones and just talking their searches into their phones. So your Realtor Near Me or Best Realtor Near Me searches are extremely important to get in front of these local searches. And with 60% of all the searches online being done through mobile, the map search shows up 93% of the time for local searches. And the only thing Google promotes in the map search is your Google business page. Your Google business page is no longer just a place to store your business information. It is now a powerful marketing tool, especially for real estate agents, to get in front of where all the traffic is already going. At the very least, do these few things to make sure that your Google My Business page is working as hard for you as possible. First, create a free account and set up your business so that it's correctly categorized. Next, make sure your phone number is correct and has been verified by Google so that potential clients can get in touch with you directly. Finally, respond to all reviews and questions, good or bad. Just remember, if someone took the time to leave feedback about their experience with your company, show that you care by responding to everybody. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. You can get the free step-by-step guide to the best ways to get more reviews for your real estate business by clicking the link below in the description. And if you want us to do this for you, you can book an appointment with us today. Click the link in the description to book an appointment on our calendar, and one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.